At TMR Company, we call it Performance Assurance Partnership, or P.A.P. for short. You'll call it the smartest move you've made. We're not here to replace your operators. We're here to plug right into the team you've got, in-house or contracted, and make sure they're squeezing every last drop of value from your investment. No fuss, no extra oversight needed. With P.A.P., we do the heavy lifting. Real-time data, honest reports, and yes, even those awkward conversations with your operations team, handled. This isn't just a service. It's 65 years of know-how, wrapped up to deliver results you can measure. Full system assessments, consulting, equipment sourcing, engineering, you name it. We don't just keep your water running, we show you how it drives revenue. Real value, real gains, right back to your bottom line. Think it over, or better yet, don't. Get in touch, and let's get started. On behalf of TMR Company, we want to thank you for your time and consideration.